Michael Saylor just went on Fox Business and admitted we're in a crypto winter, but his company just bought more Bitcoin for the 99th time. His stock is down 63%. He's sitting on billions in unrealized losses. Yet he says he has capital for 60 years. Is this genius or insanity? Welcome back to MRDJ Crypto Update. Michael Saylor's company MicroStrategy owns 717,131 Bitcoin, more than any other public company. Bitcoin hit $126,000 in October. Today it's at $70,000. That's a 45% crash. MicroStrategy's stock down 63%. Billions in paper losses. Everyone wanted to know, what's the plan? MicroStrategy used to be a boring software company. Then in 2020, Saylor decided to buy Bitcoin instead of holding cash. Last week was their 99th purchase. They bought 2,486 more Bitcoin for $168.4 million. Even with the price down, even with critics calling it reckless, Saylor keeps buying. The interviewer asked, "Are we in a crypto winter?" Saylor admitted yes, but called it much milder, and promised it will be followed by a glorious summer. His reasons? Banks now support Bitcoin. The administration is pro-crypto and new capital is flowing into digital assets. But here's the problem. MicroStrategy's average Bitcoin purchase price is $76,000. Bitcoin is at $70,000, they're underwater. When pressed on this, Saylor said it doesn't matter because they bought most Bitcoin with equity, not debt. They raised $55 billion, but only $8 billion was debt. Even if Bitcoin drops more, they're not forced to sell.
Michael Saylor just admitted on Fox Business that we're in a crypto winter. But his company, whose stock is down 63%, just bought more Bitcoin for the 99th time. He's sitting on billions in unrealized losses, yet claims he has capital for 60 years. Is this genius or insanity? Welcome back to MRDJ Crypto Update. MicroStrategy owns over 717,000 Bitcoin, more than any public company. With Bitcoin down 45% from its $126,000 peak, the company's stock is down 63%, resulting in billions in paper losses. Still, last week they bought another 2,486 Bitcoin. Saylor admits this is the fifth crypto winter, but calls it mild and promises a glorious summer will follow. Why is he so confident? He points to banks now supporting Bitcoin and a pro-crypto administration. But the key is his financial structure. Their average Bitcoin price is $76,000, and with the price at $70,000, they are underwater. Saylor says this doesn't matter. They raised $55 billion, but only $8 billion was debt. They have cash reserves for years and massive Bitcoin over-collateralization. His analogy, owning Manhattan real estate? A bad month doesn't matter if you can hold for decades. He calls Bitcoin digital Manhattan. They aren't forced to sell. Here's my take. Saylor is either a visionary or building crypto's biggest house of cards. If Bitcoin hits $500,000, he's a genius. If it fails, this could unwind. But he's structured to survive. Remember, MicroStrategy is a leveraged Bitcoin bet. When Bitcoin rises, MSTR stock rises more. When it falls, MSTR falls harder. Saylor's admission of a crypto winter is significant, but he believes they always end. Betting against Bitcoin has been a losing trade for 15 years. But don't confuse his 60-year timeline with yours. He can wait decades, can you? This is not financial advice. Do your own research. Comment your take. Is Saylor a genius? Thanks for watching.